Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the wall accessible and safe, so move furniture and cover floors immediately. Turn off power and remove plates to avoid water contact. Next, you score the paper gently with a wallpaper scorer so solution can penetrate. Think light pressure, not tearing. Once done, mix a stripping solution. Warm water plus a small amount of dish soap or one water and vinegar for stubborn paste. You will do this to loosen adhesive before any scraping occurs. That's the first actionable step. You work methodically in 3-foot sections to keep the adhesive wet and manageable. First, saturate the scored paper with your solution using a sponge or spray bottle, making sure it soaks through. Wait 10 to 15 minutes for the paste to soften. Then, starting at a seam, use a wide plastic scraper held about a 30-degree angle to lift the paper. Pull slowly and keep reapplying solution if the paper breaks. Once you've removed most material, switch to scraping softened backing and paste off the wall. You finish by removing remaining paste. Scrub with warm water and a non-abrasive pad until the wall feels smooth. Make sure to rinse residue away. Next, inspect for nicks or gouges and apply lightweight spackle, smoothing it with a putty knife. Once dry, sand flush. Before painting, always apply a stain-blocking primer to seal any residual adhesive and ensure even top-coat adhesion. If paste won't budge, try a commercial remover or repeat soaking. Test a small area first to avoid paint damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.